วัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Learn Thai with Mod with me, Kru Pair. Today's lesson is about the word just or only. There are 5 different words means just or only in Thai. The first one is แค่เองแต่เพียงเท่านั้น Wow, why so many? So today we are going to learn what are the difference or how to use those words correctly. If you like to speak Thai with a confidence and speak Thai like a native speaker, you are at the right place. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Thai with Mod, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Learn Thai with Mod. Would you like to improve your Thai language skills or take your Thai to the next levels? If yes, please join our online group class via Zoom. We offer classes for all levels. Either you want to start from zero or you want to take your Thai to the next level, we can help you. Before you enroll the course, so please feel free to write us this email to get a free assessment test to see which class is suit your levels best. So I will see you in my class. There are 5 different words means just or only in Thai. So today we are going to learn what are the difference or how to use those words correctly. If you are ready, let's get started. So the first one, แค่ this word we usually put before numbers or a noun to show that you feel like it's not much or it's not a big deal. For example, if my friends ask me how much did I pay for this shirt and I want to say, oh, it's just 200 baht. Like for me, it's not that much, it's not expensive. So I would say เสื้อตัวนี้แค่200 บาทเสื้อตัวนี้แค่200 บาท You see, so แค่ is put before number. It's like just, for me, yeah, it's not that much, right? Or if your friend asks you how many days or how many weeks you're going to be in Thailand, and then you just say, oh, it's just 1 week, you know, like for you, it's not that much. So you can say แค่1 อาทิตย์แค่1 อาทิตย์ just 1 week. You also can put the word แค่ before a noun. For example, you want to say he's just someone who I know. So in Thai, you would say เขาเป็นแค่คนรู้จักเขาเป็นแค่คนรู้จัก so he's just someone who I know, not that important. Or he's just a friend, so you can also say เขาเป็นแค่เพื่อนเขาเป็นแค่เพื่อน so he's just a friend, you know, not that important or not a big deal. So basically แค่ we put before a noun or numbers to show that the opinion that you feel that it's not a big deal, it's not that much. And the second word is เอง this word sometimes you can use together with แค่ For example, if you want to say, oh, it's just 10 baht, so it could be แค่10 บาทเองแค่10 บาทเอง so the word เอง is to emphasize that, you know, it's not that much at all, like แค่10 บาทเอง it was just only 10 baht. And also เอง you can use by itself, but it has to be in the end of the sentence. For example, if you want to say, oh, now it's not too late, it was only 10 o'clock, so you could say 10 โมงเอง10 โมงเอง so why you have to be in a hurry? It was just 10 o'clock. Third word that Thai people use for just or only is แต่ Wait a minute, I thought แต่ is mean but. Yes, this word แต่ we use in 2 different usage. It could be either but or just or only. Exactly same word, same sound, same writing. So แต่ we put after a verb. We put after a verb to show that someone doing something only, like nothing else. For example, if you want to say, oh, my boyfriend was so busy, you know, he always working, he's just working, like he didn't do anything. So in Thai, you can say เขาทำแต่งานเขาทำ แต่งาน you see so in this sentence ทำ as a verb to do or to do right so ทำงาน is to work so เขาทำแต่ so you put แต่ after a verb to show that he didn't do anything except for this thing so he working only or you can say that my son is so lazy he doesn't do anything except for watching TV so he watching TV only you can say ลูกชายดูแต่ทีวีลูกชายดูแต่ทีวี so do is a verb here is to watch right so after do which is a verb you put แต่ so ดูแต่ทีวี the first word is เพียงI'm not sure if you heard this word because it's quite formal and we usually don't use in spoken language we only use in a written language most of the time before number to show that it's not much that the amount is not that much we use a lot in the commercial so you might see the sign saying that oh this house is so cheap it's only 2 million baht so in Thai it was written เพียง2 ล้านบาทเพียง2 ล้านบาท so it's not expensive at all it's just 2 million baht that this car is very cheap it's only 15 million baht so in Thai we would say เพียง15 ล้านบาทเพียง15 ล้านบาทit's not expensive at all it's just 15 million baht and the last word for just or only is เท่านั้น this word is quite formal we don't really use in spoken that much เท่านั้น we put in the end of the sentence or after a noun for example if you go to the mall and then they have a big sale and they say like it's only today like one day only so we would say วันนี้เท่านั้นวันนี้เท่านั้น today only if you come another day no sale or you might see the sign say staff only in Thai we say พนักงานเท่านั้นพนักงานเท่านั้น because พนักงาน is staff so เท่านั้น is put after a noun in the end of the sentence alright so now I hope you know the difference between those 5 words and now you can use them correctly I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you find out the lesson is useful if you have any comments or any questions please feel free to leave it here and don't forget if you like to improve your Thai language skill please join our online group class via Zoom write us to this email to get a free assessment test alright thank you very much for watching and I will see you again next video สวัสดีค่ะ